Hello children, how are you? Welcome to the another English lesson. Now we are going to study today question. You know well what is the importance of question. Today you are going to study helping verb question or yes no question. You know well it is very easy because when I ask the question, when I ask this type of question, automatically you may say answers yes or no. So that's why we are calling that is yes no question, or sometimes it is this question is starting with helping verb. So that is called helping verb question. If anyone asks the question, can you say helping verb question, automatically you can open your mouth and say this type of question. Now I am going to explain. So under this present tense, I like to give the helping verb question. Don't worry. It is very valuable for each and everyone. You can follow, you can keep it well to use this sentence in your day-to-day life. So dear children, this present tense, you can see the board. Under this present tense, you have to study yes no question or helping verb question. First of all, we want to understand the formula, the sentence structure. When we understand the sentence structure, we can make this type of question which you are into an easy way. So we can move what is the helping verb question and how can we make that question. அன்பான மாணவர்களே, இன்று நான் ஆரம்பிக்க போகின்ற இந்த கொஸ்டின் எஸ் நோ கொஸ்டின் ஓர் துணைவினை சொல்லில் ஆரம்பிக்கின்ற கொஸ்டின்ஸாக இருக்கிறபடியால் அது ஹெல்பிங் வெர்ப் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் என்று நான் அழைக்கின்றேன். மிக இலகுவான கொஸ்டின்ஸாக இருக்கிறபடியால் நீங்கள் ஈஸியாக அவற்றை உங்களுக்குள் எடுத்துக்கொள்வதற்கான வாய்ப்பு அதிகம் இருக்கின்றது. So don't worry. I will help you how to make this sentence in the proper way. Okay, let's see. Yes, now you see, as I said here, what is the formula of the sentence? When we make the sentence, we want to understand how this sentence is making of arranging this sentence like this question. So I have given the chance. You can see the board. What is that? So as I said earlier, there are 7 main subjects available there. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Those subjects will expect do or does to make the question here. Automatically, you know well, when you study your present continuous, you have taken am, is, are in front of subject. Automatically, you are getting the question yes no question or helping of question. Like that, this question also, this sentence also, that you can get the idea for the formula, form idea. So I also can take do or does in front of subject. You can see. Normally, you know well, if subject plural, we want to take do as helping verb and we want to write in front of subject. You can see. And so subject as singular, you can take does in front of subject. அன்பான மாணவர்களே, எழுவாய் பன்மையாக இருக்கும் போது do என்னும் துணை வினைச்சொல் ஹெல்பிங் வெர்பை நாங்கள் எழுவாய்க்கு முன்னர் எழுதுவதைப் போல எழுவாய் சிங்குலராக இருக்கும் போது டஸ் என்னும் ஹெல்பிங் வெர்பை நாங்கள் அதற்கு முன்னால் போட்டு எழுதுகின்ற போது கொஸ்டின்ஸ் உருவாகின்றது. At the same time, we want to consider I also with a plural subject. I, we, you, they. Those consider do as helping verb. At the same time, he, she, it is considering does as helping verb. That's why you want to consider when we meet plural as subject, automatically we want to get do as helping verb. When we get subject as singular, automatically we can get does as helping verb. So dear students, don't worry, this is the formula. So you can get this idea and technique for your future writing and speaking skill. Let's move. What is the example for this idea? I think I like to give the example. When I give the example, automatically you may get the idea. You may get the structure. How can we make the sentence using this structure? So don't worry, we can move the next task. Okay? Now as I said here, example. Under this example, there are some examples are given by me. Children play cricket. Anybody from you? Can you make the question? Raise your hands. Excellent. Very good. Some of you doing this activity well. Very good. Your facial expression tell me your conditions. Okay, now my task. After giving my task, I will, so that is your chance will be available there. Now you can see children play cricket. பிள்ளைகள் கிரிக்கெட் விளையாடுகிறார்கள். So dear students, earlier you have studied children are playing cricket. That time what do you do when you make the question? Very good. You are writing, are children playing cricket? Very good, very good. Here, helping verb is not appeared. So we want to consider, we want to understand what is my formula which I given by me. So subject as plural, we want to get do as helping verb. So likewise, children is plural. So we can automatically make the question. Tell me, how can we make? Very good. Let's see what is the answer. Because the scheme is there. Children play cricket. Okay, we can make the question using this sentence. Let's see what is that. Fantastic. Very good. Your questions, your answers will be there. Okay. Do children play cricket? The question is there. Sentence is there. Children play cricket. How can we make the question using the helping verb? Children as plural, automatically we can get do in front of subject. That's why we can make the question, do children play cricket? பிள்ளைகள் கிரிக்கெட் விளையாடுகிறார்களா? The sentence is earlier, children play cricket. பிள்ளைகள் கிரிக்கெட் விளையாடுகிறார்கள். Do children play cricket? This is the question. பிள்ளைகள் கிரிக்கெட் விளையாடுகிறார்களா? So that is helping of question because do is starting here. At the same time, your answer will be there, yes or no. Some students may say yes. Some students may say no, because of the real thing. Could you understand? Very good. Now you can see the next one. Could you understand? Okay. The second sentence is available there. Ravi meets his brother. The sentence is given by me, and sentence was given by me earlier. Ravi singular, so meet has been got. Yes, Ravi meets his brother. Ravi தன்னுடைய சகோதரனை சந்திக்கிறான். Ravi meets his brother. So from this sentence, you can make the question. How is possible? Can you make the question? Ravi singular. What is the helping verb will be there? Very good, very good, excellent. I appreciate. Does Ravi meet his brother? Here the question we can make like this. Okay, does Ravi meet his brother? Dear students, when we write does as helping verb, we want to cut s from the meet. Earlier it has given Ravi meets. S has added with the meets. Here when you write does, automatically s with me s will be deleted. So meet. Earlier meets because of the does. Does Ravi meet his brother? Ravi தன்னுடைய சகோதரரை சந்திக்கிறானா? Very fantastic one, no? Excellent. Next one. The next third question. So sentence is, Kamala goes to Japna. Kamala is singular. So goes to Japna. Kamala Japnaவுக்கு போகிறாள். This is positive sentence, affirmative. From this sentence, you can make the question. How can you make? Excellent. Kamala is singular, so automatically you can get does. Does Kamala go to Japna? Does Kamala go to Japna? Here, dear students, earlier the verb is very necessary, no? Earlier I have given goes for the Kamala. Here, the verb has been given go. Can you guess what is the problem here? Yes, Kamala goes to Japna. When we take does in front of Kamala, automatically go will be there. Does Kamala go to Japna? The sentence is earlier, Kamala goes to Japna. Kamala Japnaவுக்கு போகிறாள். Question is, does Kamala go to Japna? Kamala Japnaவுக்கு போகிறாளா? Yes or no? Which is okay. Very good. I did not ask the answers from you. Now you want to understand the structure. Excellent. Very good. Okay, last sentence available. It's available here. Some people buy fruits. Some people. Very good. Some people. What type of sentence? That is plural. Very good. Some people. கொஞ்சம் மக்கள். Okay. Buy fruits. கொஞ்சம் மக்கள் பழங்களை வாங்குகிறார்கள். So we can make automatically, we understand what is the question we want to do. Some people is plural, automatically we can write do in front of, okay, subject. So answer is, do some people buy fruits? கொஞ்சம் மக்கள் பழங்களை வாங்குகிறார்களா? Do some people buy fruits? Yes. So, from those sentences, you have understood how can we make the question from this positive sentence. I think this positive sentence will help you to make your yes no question. I think this subject from each of the sentence or every subject will help you to find out what is the do or what is the does. So when you write the does do, automatically you may make the beautiful question here. That's why children play cricket. Do children play cricket? Clear? Ravi meets his brother. Does Ravi meet his brother? Kamala goes to Jaffna. Does Kamala go to Jaffna? Very good. Some people buy fruits. Okay? Do some people buy fruits? Wonderful sentence. I think it will help you for your present and future skills. In the future, you may write, you may consider everything when you do your exam. Clear? Shall we go to the next task? Okay. Okay, now you can see, dear students, you understood what I say here. Every explanation has been given by me here. You have understood each and every step. That's why, following this idea, I have given the question. What is the heading of the question? Write the following sentences into question. So, don't escape from here. Already you have studied. Now your duty to make the question. Write the following sentences into question. That's why I expect from you, you want to make just no question. Clear? Can I give the question? Okay. Okay, there are five questions available here. Now you want to understand and make beautiful question from this sentence. Can you make the question? Yes, before that, I will read and tell the meaning of Tamil for each and every sentence. So, they come to school. அவர்கள் பாடசாலைக்கு வருகிறார்கள். You face an interview in Kandy. நீங்கள் கேண்டியில் ஒரு இன்டர்வியூ ஃபேஸ் பண்ணுகிறீர்கள். Robert writes a letter. Robert ஒரு லெட்டர் எழுதுகிறார். Students study their lesson. மாணவர்கள் தங்களுடைய லெசனை படிக்கிறார்கள். ஜானகி teaches English at school. ஜானகி பாடசாலையில் ஆங்கிலம் கற்பிக்கிறார். So those are based on present simple. So those sentence, okay, from those sentence you can make or you can modify, you can create, you can write beautiful question which should be considered just no question or helping verb question. Can I give 1 minute? Anybody from you? Okay, excellent. You are fighting to do this activity well. I will provide 1 minute. Can you do? Okay, start. Here, dear students, when you write your answers, I will explain and I will give the task, the answers or scheme. What is the proper answer? So when I give the answers, you can put whether mark whether it is correct or not. Clear? Can I go? Very good. Start. Now you can see, dear student, they come to school. From this sentence, we have made the question. Do they come to school? அவர்கள் பாடசாலைக்கு வருகிறார்களா? So they come to school. Question is there. Do they come to school? Here, dear students, they is plural. அவர்கள். So we can write do in front of subject. தேக்கு முன்னர் நாங்கள் doவை எழுதுகின்றோம். So do they come to school? அவர்கள் பாடசாலைக்கு வருகிறார்களா? Yes, this sentence is available in our day-to-day life. Okay, the next one. Second sentence. You face an interview in Kandy. You face an interview in Kandy. நீங்கள் கேண்டியில் ஒரு இன்டர்வியூ ஃபேஸ் பண்ணுகிறீர்கள், முகம் கொடுக்கிறீர்கள். So question is, you is plural. So as I said earlier, the rule of the grammar, you will expect do as helping verb. Here, do you face an interview in Kandy? Do you face an interview in Kandy? நீங்கள் கேண்டியில் ஒரு இன்டர்வியூ ஃபேஸ் பண்ணுகிறீர்களா, முகம் கொடுக்கிறீர்களா? This is the way in Tamil. I think when I give the Tamil, automatically you can apply, you can get the knowledge and understand everything in your mother tongue. So many students ask me interpreting everything, when I explain everything, okay, they can understand well. So that I have decided to give the meaning from my explanation in your mother tongue also. So don't worry. You want to understand what is the formula or what is the construction of the sentence. So 2 sentences are available there. We have given the answers. How can we make the question? Okay, third question. Here, Robert writes a letter. Dear student, Robert is singular. So what is the helping verb is there? Very good. Does, which is there. Okay, does Robert write a letter? It is very important. Does Robert write a letter? Write, not writes, because of the does. It has been taken earlier and which was written in front of Robert. So, does Robert write a letter? Robert ஒரு லெட்டர் எழுதுகிறானா? Robert ஒரு கடிதம் எழுதுகிறானா? Clear? Okay, next one. The next sentence, students study their lesson. மாணவர்கள் தங்களுடைய லெசனை படிக்கிறார்கள். This question, how can you make the question? Students is plural. So, do students study their lesson? Do, because of the plural. Do students study their lesson? மாணவர்கள் தங்களுடைய லெசனை படிக்கிறார்களா? Clear? Okay. The last sentence, Janagi teaches English at school. Janagi பாடசாலையில் ஆங்கிலம் கற்பிக்கிறாள். So question is, Janagi singular. So we want to write does. So does Janagi, anybody? Teach. Yeah, okay, teach. Very good. Does Janagi teach English at school? Here, very important. Earlier, I have given teachers because of the CH. When we meet the verb as CH, we want to write ES for the subject as singular. So when we write does in front of subject, automatically we may write teach. ES will be deleted there. In this rule, I have written, does Janaki teach English at school? So I am giving the explanation again and again. You can understand what is the formula. So dear students, from this sentence, you have understood each and everything. What is the technique to make the question, especially the helping verb question? So they come to school. Do they come to school? You face an interview in Kandy. Do you face an interview in Kandy? Robert writes a letter. Does Robert write a letter? Students study their lesson. Do students study their lesson? Janaki teaches English at school. Does Janaki teach English at school? Okay? What about you? Have you got it? Okay. Shall we go to the next activity? That's all. Okay. Now, dear students, yes, this questions is different for each and every one. I think some of you have understood, you have done this type of question earlier. So I have applied this question under this present simple. So from this sentence, can you understand what are you going to do? So first of all, I like to give all the question, and you can understand what is your duty. So let's give the chance. You see the question, okay? Okay, the end of the time, the heading is there. Now, can you read the question? Heading. Okay, arrange, very good, very good. Arrange the following words and write questions. Very nice one. Automatically, when you read the heading, automatically you know well what is your duty. Arrange the following words and write question. Your duty, write question. Words are given. Those words will help you to make the question. Can I give the chance? Can I give a time? 1 minute, within the 1-2 minutes, can you make the question? I think I expect from you, you want to make helping up question. Anybody from you? Can you do? Very good, very good. Okay. So my duty to give the answers. You can see. Okay, the first question. Okay, come. You do to school. Here, dear students, the wonderful question. It can, okay, I have given, okay, come, you, then do. Do, okay, do is helping verb. The question mark also is there. So some words are available. The end of the time, I have given question mark. So when you see this question mark, automatically you can understand, okay, sir has given question. So we want to make the question and arrange the words with a beautiful sentence. Shall we go? Okay. Now, what is the word will be there first? Okay, let's see. Yes, you want to take. Do. Very good. Do. Dear student, when you start your sentence, the first letter should be started in capital. So when you write your do, in the first time, you want to write do, okay, D as capital. So let's see what is the answer available later. Wait and see. The second question, fruits, Morgan, there, does, buy. Question mark also is there. Okay. The dear student, does also is available there. So you can understand that is also helping verb question. So that is singular. So can you make the question? Let's see. Okay. The third question, children, their, lesson, learn, do. Here it has been, I have given do, do for your helping verb. So children also is there. Children is plural. So you can know what will you do. Okay, the next one. Brother, in, live, does, Colombo, my. Oh. So you want to find. Does is available there. And okay, following the does, what will you do? You want to find out the proper subject. Very important. Okay. The next one. Do, parents, picture, draw, Here it can, okay, the do as given by, okay, do is given for me, for you. So parents is also is available. Parents is plural. So what will you do? The last question, drink. The water, does, farmer. Here farmer is given and does is also is given. So what will you do? From those sentence, from those words, you can make beautiful question. Which question, okay, which should be okay, considered as helping of question, or okay, do does, okay, helping of question or yes no question. I did not expect very lengthy one, only simple question. Okay, I will help you. Let's see what is the question will be made from these words. Shall we go? Okay. Okay, first one, you see, dear students, come, you, do, to school. From these words, we can write the beautiful question here. Do you come to school? Do you come to school? So I have given the do is plural. The following the do, you can write you as subject. And then the third position will be expected. Okay, the verb. So do you come to school? Here this sentence in Tamil, you know well the Tamil. What is the Tamil? நீங்கள் பாடசாலைக்கு வருகிறீர்களா? So do you come to school? So normally when you go your school, okay, normally when you meet your friend, they will ask, what is the question? Hello Machan, do you come to school? That's why very necessary, so very beautiful sentence. In your day-to-day life, you can use this sentence. So that I have given, so using with do. Do you come to school? So from today, you can start your spoken with your friends. Okay? That's all. This is the way you can make the question using these words. What is the next one? We can see. Okay. These words also, okay, given, I have introduced earlier. From these words, how can you make the question? Can you make the question? Okay, sir, let's see. What is that? Okay, dear students, we want to get does. Does, the first letter should be started in D, so capital. So does Mohan buy fruits there? Does Mohan buy fruits there? The sentence, the Tamil meaning, மோகன் அங்கே பழங்களை வாங்குகிறானா? மோகன் அங்கே பழங்களை வாங்குகிறானா? That's why, does Mohan buy fruits there? Now you may ask the question. Okay, the next one. Okay, the next answer also is there. The children is there. Children is plural. So they have, you want to write do children. So when you write do children, automatically other words will be there. You can write. So do children learn their lesson? பிள்ளைகள் தங்களுடைய லெசனை கற்கிறார்களா? Learn mean கற்றல். So do children learn their lesson? பிள்ளைகள் தங்களுடைய லெசனை, தங்களுடைய பாடத்தை கற்கிறார்களா? So that is very important. You can ask the question. Okay. The next one. Okay. Here, does is singular helping verb. You want to get it. My brother. So my brother is singular. So you can write does as the helping verb. Here, does my brother live in Kalampu? So very beautiful sentence. Does my brother live in Kalampu? I don't know what is the condition of my brother. Where is he? So I have doubt to ask the question. என்னுடைய சகோதரன் கொழும்பில் வசிக்கிறானா? So through asking this question, I am confirming myself. Okay, my brother's condition. So does my brother live in Kalampu? என்னுடைய சகோதரன் கொழும்பில வசிக்கிறானா? So that is why. Okay. Here, yes. Do parents draw a picture? The parents, you see the word parents, பெற்றோர்கள். So do parents draw a picture? Draw mean வரைதல். A picture ஒரு படம். Okay, பெற்றோர்கள் ஒரு படம் வரைகிறார்களா? Do parents draw a picture? Okay, that is very wonderful question, because today in the present situation they are okay, very intelligent, very good parents. They are very educated parents, so they can draw the picture. Okay, no confuse. We can confirm that question. So don't ask the question. So that is why I have created this sentence for your purpose of the present simple. From this present simple you can make the question. Do parents draw a picture? Dear students, from those sentences we have created, we have made the beautiful question. Now you can see, do you come to school? Does Mohan buy fruits there? Do children learn their lesson? Does my brother live in Colombo? And do parents draw a picture? Clear? Okay, from those words we can make beautiful question, and from this question we can get the answers yes or no. Clear? Okay, let's move to the next task. Another question is also there. Does the farmer drink water? The farmer is singular, so we can write does. So when we write does, the drink will not get s. Yes, very good. Does the farmer drink water? விவசாயி தண்ணீர் குடிக்கிறாரா? Okay, that's all. You understood well, because your facial expression tell me you are very clever one, clever students. Yes, I appreciate your each and every moment. Okay. Now you can see, dear students, for a long time you have understood, you have studied earlier also, you have studied so helping verb, present continuous. How can you make the question? Following the present continuous you have studied simple, present simple, yes no question. So that is, those are okay, helping verb question or yes no question. That is very easy for each and everyone, because we can make the question with with the help of the words, help of the subject. So that's why I have explained, I have given so many examples. From those examples you have understood, okay, how can we make the question using the do or using with does. So you understood well. Following the question, I like to introduce WH question. In fact, when I start this lesson, I have given the task. There are 3 types of question. Okay, helping verb question, WH question, and tag question. Here, dear students, we come to the point to get the knowledge based on WH question. Anybody from you, can you say, can you explain WH question, or can you give one example using the WH question? Anybody from you? Yes. Let's see. First of all, we want to understand, we want to know what are the WH question words. If we know the WH words, automatically we can make a beautiful question. Clear? Now I like to show some question. Okay. Okay, dear students, I have given the chance. First one. So this is the way, very important. When we start the WH question, the letter will be started with WH. So what? What is enna? In Tamil, enna. So next. Where? Where mean enge. Very good. Many of you open your mouth. Yes, very good. Next one, I like to ask when. Okay. When mean எப்போது. Okay. Anybody from you? Very good. You already studied, no? Why? Why mean ஏன். Okay. The next one. How often? எத்தனை தடவை. So many of in your day-to-day life, you may ask this question. எத்தனை தடவை நீ அவனை சந்திக்கின்றாய்? Are you okay? Do you ask this question? Yes. Okay. Last. How much? எவ்வளவு. How much? Okay. How much rupees you are spending? எவ்வளவு பணம் நீ செலவழிக்கிறாய்? So these okay. These questions words are very important, and from these words we are getting more information. I think the explanatory item. Normally, the earlier, okay, when I given the chance, the earlier one, the helping of question has been given the yes no question. That is, okay, that is the okay. We did not get, we can't get the full answers. Here, from these words, we can get the very wonderful and explanatory answer. You can clear with your mind. Okay. Now you can see, okay, dear student, very important. I have introduced the WGH. What are the WGH question? From these WGH, you can make a beautiful question. That is very important because in your O-level, grade 9 and your A-level question, the 90% questions are okay, are available there. When you open your question paper, those questions will be appear there. That time you will think me in. So dear student, don't worry. In another time, I will explain how can we make this WGH question. And it is also very technical idea. I have simple idea. From this simple idea, I can give the chance to understand well. Each and everyone will understand what I am giving here. So, don't worry. In another time, I will meet you. Okay? That's all. Good luck. I finish this session. I may meet you in another time. Good luck. Thank you.